Crows are known for their intelligence. But did you know they're also one of the most abundant birds in the world? There are over 1 billion crows on Earth, and there are more than 40 different species of crows living all over the globe. These birds can adapt to almost any environment, which is part of the reason why they're so successful. In this video, we're going to look at some crow facts that will make you realize just how amazing these birds really are. So let's get started. Number 1. Are crows the smartest birds on Earth? When it comes to animal intelligence, crows are right up there at the top of the list. They have the second highest IQ of any bird, right behind primates. Crows are highly adaptable and problem-solving birds. Their intelligence allows them to thrive in a variety of environments. They're also very social animals who live in complex groups. The American crow has been studied extensively and is considered to be the smartest of the crow species. It has been found that crows have the ability to recognize themselves in the mirror. This is a sign of self-awareness and understanding. Researchers believe that only animals with a high level of intelligence can recognize themselves in the mirror. So far, only 5 other species have been found to have this ability: a dolphin, a chimpanzee, a gorilla magpie, and an orangutan. No. 2. How long do crows live? The average lifespan of a crow in the wild is around 15 years, but they can live much longer in captivity. In fact, the oldest crow on record lived to be 63 years old. The reason that crows do and typically live as long in the wild is because they can fall victim to many predators, including alligators, coyotes, foxes, snakes, sneagles. Another threat to their long-term survival is habitat loss. As humans continue to develop more land, crows are losing their natural habitats, and this is leading to smaller populations. Number 3. What do crows eat? Crows are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Their diet consists of nuts, seeds, fruits, insects, reptiles, amphibians, small mammals, and birds. They'll also scavenge dead animals if the opportunity arises. Sometimes crows will steal food from other animals, and they'll even steal food from each other. In some cases, crows will work together to take down larger prey. For example, a group of crows will attack a heron while it's trying to fish so that they can eat the fish the heron caught. No. 4. How do crows communicate? Crows make a wide variety of sounds, but their most common call is the harsh, loud cawing you hear. When they're in a group, this call is used to communicate with other crows, but they also use a variety of other sounds to communicate. For example, they make a clicking sound when they're excited or agitated. They also make a cackling sound when they're laughing or playing. And they make a croaking sound when they're alarmed. Crows are also very visual creatures, and they rely heavily on sight to communicate. For example, they'll often point their beaks towards something they're interested in, and they'll also use their bodies to communicate. For example, they'll puff out their chests to look bigger and more intimidating. No. 5. Do crows have a specific mating season? Crows typically mate for life. But if their mate dies, they'll find a new mate. The mating season for crows varies depending on where they live. In general, crows in warmer climates mate earlier in the year than crows in colder climates. In the United States, most crows will begin mating in the early spring. The male crow will often perform a ritual dance before mating in order to please the female. The female will lay 3 to 5 eggs, and both parents will take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the young. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds. If you want to learn more about nature and wildlife, be sure to check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.